Teens today are stuck in a loop. They need experience to get opportunities, but they need opportunities to get experience. So how do you break this cycle? The answer? A portfolio. And I'm going to show you exactly what you need to build one. Here's the truth. 85% of jobs are filled through networking, and 40% of new hires actually happen through a referral, not through a job application. Now, this means that your teen needs a tangible way to showcase what they can do beyond just good grades or an impressive CV. So I learned this firsthand. When I got my first job fresh out of film school, even with a cum laude degree, my new boss didn't care about my grades. He gave me a camera and he said to me, "Go and tell me your story." So what he was trying to see here is, could I actually film something? Did I know how to edit? How is he going to treat his equipment? And best of all, how did I work under pressure? And this isn't just for designers or artists. A portfolio works for any field: coding, marketing, writing, research, problem solving. Companies are shifting to skills-based hiring, meaning they care more about what you can actually do, the outcomes you could get, more than just what you know and what you can say. Now, that also happened to my brother when he left his job as an article clerk at an accounting firm, to go and live the dream, work online. And suddenly he found himself with no real skills that he could sell. It was a total crisis. He started to learn how to build websites. The first ones he had to make for free, but then he started to make them for 4,000 Rand, 10,000 Rand, 25,000 Rand, and even more. And his portfolios now open doors that his resume never could. So what actually goes into a great portfolio? Here are the 3 elements that your team needs. Real-world projects. They need hands-on work for businesses, non-profits, or personal growth. They need to show a project breakdown, so showing the steps taken, not just the final result. And then lastly, they need very clear outcomes. They need to highlight the problem that they solved and the real impact that they made. If your team wants to stand out, building a portfolio is one of the most powerful things they can do. No more waiting for people to give them a chance. They'll be making their own opportunities and opening their own doors. Please like and subscribe and help us get this content out to amazing future forward families that are doing homeschooling and empowering their teens just like yours.